Budgies love iodized PEK blocks. Here's a review of PEK blocks I bought from Amazon. Large ones for parrots, not those little tiny ones they sell for budgies. As you can see, budgies love PEK blocks. Iodized PEK blocks, good for budgies' health. And they usually rip you off if you buy online, something like £3 for a tiny little block. So what I've done is I've bought big blocks, pack of I think 12. I think current price is £15 and it's been delivered. These are big blocks, so 12 for £15, that's good value for money. Yeah, I know they're normally about £1 if you go to a ordinary pet shop, if you not get ripped off, but online you get ripped off. So let's have a look what the PEK blocks are like that I bought from Amazon. Pack of 12. Looks like the box is all broken up. DHL deliveries there. You need a PEK block because your previous one's gone. There we go. Johnson's iodized conditioned PEK blocks, large size for parrots. Well, budgies are parrots. See, they're a lot bigger. Yeah, they are bigger than the previous. Normally the ones that you buy online for budgies are about half the size. People get disappointed, write comments. Oh, we got it's tiny and they charge about £3. Yeah, well yeah, you get double the size for half the money. Is the 12? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, they survived. So now I'm going to give the budgies their PEK blocks. Open one up. A little bit powdery, just hang it. So let's open it up and see what they think. Ooh. Don't you want your PEK block? Scaredy cats. Let's open it up. Here we go. Yeah, I'm sure this is the size I bought from the pet shop for £1. Surely it was this size. It wasn't smaller. So the ones they're selling online are really they're ripping people off. I've seen it £2.65 for one, and it's half. So do check out the link and get bargain. Unless you want to traipse down to the pet shop. Do not buy the budgie ones. But say budgie, they're tiny. Get the proper large size parrot. The budgies will consume them. So we're going to get the budgies and see what they think of their block. You eating? Yeah. Come on. Oi, leave that. What are you doing? Come on. You want to peck at it? What's this big thing? What the hell is this? It's the monolith. Out of 2001. Look, they're acting like the monolith. Da, 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 da. Dum, 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 dum. The monolith. Yeah, they got scared by the scissors. Is it the monolith? Is the PEK block like the monolith out of 2001? So I'll put it down here. Come on, budgies, the monolith. It's gonna give you intelligence. It's gonna make you. Come on. Oi. Fly to me. Come on. We're gonna turn you into intelligence budgies. Come on, let's turn them into super budgies. Evolution. Do it again. Dum 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 da 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 dum 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 dum. There you go. Budgies are eating. Oh, they're well at it. Straight away. No hesitation. Just got scared by the scissors earlier. It's like the monolith out of 2001. They didn't even, you know, mess around, went straight for it. Now they're gonna start picking up stuff and hitting me with it, and then making a space station. And the budgies are gonna take over the universe. Aren't you, budgies? Look at it. They do like the PEK blocks. Budgies love PEK blocks. It's a good job I've got 12 of them. This way that's gonna be gone. Look at it. He dug a little hole in it. Let me hang it up. Hey, that's enough. What are you doing? It's not 2001 Space Odyssey. Let's look at it. They destroyed my PEK block. What are you doing? You're supposed to eat it. Hey, that's not gonna even last one day. It's like 2001 the Space Odyssey when the apes go to the monolith. You're gonna throw up a seed into the sky and it's gonna turn into a space station. Eh? Budgies love these PEK blocks. Budgies love PEK blocks. I'm gonna have to put this, hang this down. They're gonna completely destroy it within minutes. Okay, that they're ripping it to pieces. They climb on top. Monolith. Stay away, it's my PEK block. You get your own PEK block. This is my PEK block.